Hello, Success Habits Academy Masterminds. This is Sudhir Kollam, President of Success Habits Academy, author of Money Lessons from Mother Nature, and an entrepreneur at core heart. And I welcome you to this quick tutorial of how to use Mighty Networks for your The Life Project Mastermind. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you quickly what Mighty Networks is all about, how to use it, and how to make the most of it. Alright? So, this is your screen, and you're going to see the Mighty Networks logo. I am assuming that you have already registered and you are a part of Mighty Networks. So the moment you open this, you're going to see these posts. There are different posts. I put a lot of posts. You can also put a lot of posts. Now, if you want to put your post, all you got to do is click the plus button here, and then you can post whatever is on your mind. You can add a photograph also. You can add some link. You can tag people using this the tag option here, and you can post. Now, when you are posting, you need to add topic to a post so that all posts can get segregated. So you can click on add topic, and I've already created 8 topics, which are our 8 arenas of life. You can just tag any of the topic, and you can add the topic to the post, so that it becomes easy to segregate and find your post later. So this is how you add your post, and to different posts you can go ahead and comment. And if you comment, and if particular post gets a lot of comment, a lot of likes, that post shows up at the top. For example, this is Manju's post, and this is my post. I've created an event, Entrepreneur Success Seminar, which is happening on July 7th. Then this is another learning post that I had created. The topic I had tagged in was personal development, wherein I talk about my favorite skill, that is selling, and I have given you 22 pointers on how to make your next sales presentation an awesome one. This one post, it got 9 comments, 1 like, and all of that, right? This is a poll kind of a post, where you just click on the poll, on the vote, and then you vote to that post. So you can also create a voting kind of post. Now, the intention of you creating all these posts is very simple, is to be visible. Alright, and why do you want to be visible? So that you can network better, so that all Success Habits TLP masterminds from all over India know you and get interested in you, and then you start a conversation with each other, and probably that conversation could lead to business or sharing of learnings or a lot of other stuff. Alright, so that's why you post. Now, if you go to the 3 bars which are there at the side, top left hand corner, you will see this menu. The home goes to the home. This is the post part. Go to discovery, and you'll find some interesting things here. In discovery part, you'll see top posts. You can click on that top post, and you can go there. It will show you members near you. You can click on any of the member. See, I click on Harish, and you can follow that member. Now, if you follow that member, every time Harish posts, you will see his post immediately. Alright? Again, this is Meenal. I'm already following her, so it's showing as following. And this is Atul. I have not yet followed him, so I'm just following now. Ravi Bhushan, I have just started following him now. Mitul Dave. Alright? So these are all these people, and then there are these topics. So if you want to find a post based on the topic, you can just scroll, just click on any of those topics, and you'll find a post under that topic. So there was this one post, 2 posts. Manju has been posting a lot on health. Wonderful. There is one post by Yogesh in between, which was all about health. Alright. So this is the health topic. You click on business success habits topic, and you see all the posts under business success habits. Alright. Then upcoming events it will show you, and these are mastermind groups, different mastermind groups. Alright. So this is what happens in discovery. Go to members. You'll see a list of all the members which are part of this Mighty Networks. Alright. And near me, I'll see all the masterminds who are near me, and I can click on them, and I can chat with them also. I say hello. I just say hello to Sandeepan Reddy, who is a rock star mastermind from my first batch, and I just say send, and I can chat with him. You can chat with absolutely anybody on the members list. All right. In the new column, you'll see new masterminds that have got added up. Now, if you click on the member, you will see their details also if they have put in. So it is very, very important to update your profile. All right. So you'll find an option to update your profile. All right. So that's the member section. Topics, again, it's again another segregation of the topics. 8 topics you choose, and you can decide which topics you want to follow, decide which topics you don't want to follow. Alright, so you can choose that there in the topics section. Go to events, you will see all the events that have been scheduled, and you can refer people to Entrepreneur Success Seminar in the city you are a part of. Go to Masterminds. These are the various groups of Masterminds, and then you go to courses. This is very interesting, wherein I have uploaded amazing courses for you, and you can be a part of these courses because you are a Success Habits Mastermind. Alright, so the courses I have already here are how to choose your business partner, then there's Discover Your Business's True Potential, how to fill up your seminar rooms. There's a guest speaker collections where outside speakers have come to our masterminds and they have taught us. There are mastermind meetings. Now this is a secret thing meant for us, where we store all the recordings of the mastermind meetings. The intervention examples is also secret, just meant for us. Alright, and the other things are, other courses are private courses. Now in these private courses, what you need to do is you need to go click on view the course, and then you can apply to be a part of the course, and I'll get that application from you and I'll approve that application. Alright, so I'm clicking back to network. That's all course is about, and then you can just go ahead and decide on your personal settings, and please complete your profile. Alright, please complete your profile. And what happens else is there are network settings also. You can just go through them. Now just to conclude this quick remark, I just want to mention that be active on this network, be visible, and post some amazing content that you have, which you can also teach others. Alright, and because you teach others, you will learn more. And if you want to apply what you are learning, you got to start teaching, and you'll automatically start applying, because it becomes your moral responsibility to apply what you are teaching, right? So that's one way you start implementing all the things that you are learning at Success Habits Academy. Alright, thank you for watching this around 8.5 minute tutorial. I hope it was useful, and keep posting. Alright, bye bye.